Gold and silver beautifully respected the levels which we discussed yesterday in our both the updates. We have seen a struggle in gold at 2676 levels, while silver has also seen a struggle at $30 levels. What to expect today from metals? Big day today, lot much of data coming in, first from Europe, then from US. The US data with the inflation data definitely will set the stage on fire. And how to profit, where to enter, where to exit, trading gold and silver with the data, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, before the data release. Do not miss to watch it. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver wash. First, gold on the hourly charts. After this good dip, it is now trading under this retracement channel, and you can see the highs are getting narrowed here. Look at the bump after this, then the higher lows, then the higher highs, and see the highs here and here, the delta is getting diminished, and now again, so this is consolidation and it has to come out of this squeeze, which means now we have to wait for gold to trade above 2682-84 zone and 2690-92 zone. These are the two levels which are going to remain critical for the day. Any move beyond these definitely will be a good indication that now 2700 or in fact 2720 will be there. But right now, what do I see this as? Drop, retracement, and a break. Because see, this is the main trend, this is the retracement, and a breakout here should bring more bearishness. So let's see which direction it gives you a breakout. Look at the moving averages, these are again crossing over here on the upside, which is a good sign, supportive of bulls. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI is also rising, I can say. Coming to two, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation, rise retracement, taking the support from the 50 period, trying to bounce back up again. Thus it is very important now for gold to trade below 2670-68 zone, which should be the first support zone, and that is the only level below which I will recommend you to sell. If you see gold now trading below 2668-70 zone, you can take a sell. Wait for 2664 and 2660-58 zone to be taken. These two are going to remain the prime support. Any drop below 2660 and 58 should lead to a stronger correction, where 2645, 2640 levels can also be expected here. Stochastic dropping, looking downwards. The MACD, now interestingly, the MACD after a good dip has now crossed over. It is trading with moderate bullishness, but I can see the bulls are not very much interested. Look at the divergence, look at the candle size here. So it can still cross over and dip. So this is something you should watch out for. RSI remaining flat. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, the observation remains the same. Now notice what has happened for the last few sessions here. You can see this rise, then a retracement, a rise, then a retracement, a bigger the rise, then a retracement. Now if you connect the lows here, you can find out this is how it has been trading. These are the highs and the lows here. Now for the day, it is very important for gold to now trade below 2660 and 58. That should be the breach of the channel, and once it trades below 2654-55, we can see we are looking forward to a greater correction. As it is coming out of this bullish channel, it can give you a stronger correction, but right now signs are not very much encouraging for this. It is trying to trade bullish here, it is trying to trade like this, where it can achieve higher highs. So as long as now 2660-58 is not taken, we should be very careful, and below 2650 is where you can say now gold is turning bearish right now. Now coming to the near term, rise retracement, rise slight retracement, trying to bounce back. Let's see if it moves beyond 2682-84. That is the next resistance. Also on the 3 hour charts, I can see it taking support from the 20 period average here. Stochastic at top, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. This crossover can signal a reversal. RSI is also trying to look upwards here. Coming to the 4, now on the 4 hour charts, notice this, look at the candles here, very you can see there is lot much of a struggle on the upside, but yes, the support levels on the downside are also playing out very well. Look at the tails here. Bigger tails suggest that the price is trying to keep pushing upwards, but I can also see hesitation on the upside as well. So now it is definitely has come to a critical zone where gold now has to decide the direction it wants to take. Now if you look at the movement here, the drop, and see the struggle here on the upside, very strong. Thus it seems that the resistance here on the upside is pretty strong, and the prices are not willing to give you a breakout. So now I will wait for a drop here. If it drops below 2668-70 zone, then you can say more bearishness, and below 6058 is where you can say that this is reversing. Else all the candles are green, and a breakout on the upside is what you should we should be careful of. See, it is getting the resistance from the median of the Bollinger Bands here. The stochastic overbought. MACD is right now bearish. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI running flat. Coming to and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now coming to the daily chart, see, first important observation on the daily chart, the crossover here in the moving averages and the divergence. This is a good sign supportive of. The second thing is, it is still not a confirmation of complete reversal. See what has happened here. It was trading with divergence, then a certain sharp dip has appeared and we have seen a greater correction. Now see what is happening after this good great dip here. For 3 to 4 sessions, it has took so many sessions for gold to in fact breach past the highs here. So I can see that this is a retracement, not a reversal yet, as long as now 26 7 22 24 zone is not taken. And in fact, in my updates I have mentioned, for the near term it is very critical for gold to break beyond 27 25 27 50 zone. This is the most critical zone for gold to break past by. Only and only if it breaks past by this zone, you can say now gold prices have reversed. Else this is a retracement. I am again highlighting, this is a retracement. This calls for another round of correction very soon. It is possible that gold might try to trade like this, where it can move towards 2550 in the near. But right now on the daily charts, I can say it has to surpass so many stronger resistances on the downside in order to confirm the bearish reversal. Right now it is trading bullish. If you connect the dots here, you can find out higher lows are seen, and today, as long as now 2660.58 is not taken, you have to be careful. And in the near term, it has to now break below 2640 levels in order to confirm further reversal, where we will be looking forward to 2624.20, and in fact it can move towards 2600 as well. Yes, once it starts to drop, it is going to be a sharper one, and it is not going to take much time, and possibly the data today might trigger this fall. Possibility is there. Now look at the movement here today. It is starting with the tail. It can move towards 2680, but I will say you have to be very cautious as long as 2682.84 is not taken and 2690.92 is not taken. Only and only if it trades about 2690.92, you can say now this is a reversal and you can look forward to a rise, else possibility of a crash is very much high. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is in green, trying to rise more. The RSI is comfortable. So considering this, now I'll recommend you to buy at 2678.80. You can expect 84.85 as the first target. You can expect 90.92 as the second. And if these two levels are taken, chances will be high that 2700, 2720 levels should be there. The intermediate resistance beyond 2700, 2702 is 27 8 2710 and then 27 20 22 levels. So we have to wait for it to break past these levels, but yes, certainly once it stays beyond 2690.92, the bullishness should prevail here, and beyond 2700 it is going to rally high. But we have to be cautious here. The chances of swings are high. On the downside, now you can take a selling entry at 2668.70 zone, expect it to move. Once it stays below 2668.70, expect 2664 first, 2660.58 second. And if these two levels are taken, just stay short. Just stay short. We can possibly see 2650 plus minus 2 as a good support zone, and then 2644. If 2644 is taken, you can stay short, and this can lead to a stronger correction, 2638, 2630.32, and then 2620 levels. Below that, 2600 should be there very soon. Chances of which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly charts. After this dip, it is under retracement. See what we have seen for gold is getting replicated here for silver as well. It is trading in this retracement channel. Higher highs, higher lows are seen. Very important for silver to break beyond 30-20 zone. That should be the confirmation of reversal. On the downside, it has to now trade below 2960, 2940 zone. That is the confirmation of further dip. Right now, what is happening on the hourly charts? See, the moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. Price is now looking downwards. We have to wait for it to trade below 2960, 2940 zone. That is the only level below which you can say yes, silver is turning bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green, RSI is trying to look downwards here. Coming to 2, the observation is more or less same. See, it has to break. Now also see the near term support levels at 29.75, 29.60. Very very strong support exists here. See, also the next thing is the moving average is crossing over here. This is not a good sign for the both. So now once it stays below this zone 29.60, 29.40, it can lead to a stronger correction, while on the upside 30-30-20 is the only zone beyond which you can say that the bulls are back there. Stochastic looking down, MACD crossing over here at the bottom, now trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI flat, coming to 3. Look at the 3-hour chart. See, it was trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has now moved towards 20-50 period moving average. Getting the resistance, it is trying to reverse. So now I will say once it stays below 29.70, you can take a sell, but then 29.60, 29.50, you cannot avoid this support levels, and then 29.40 till 29.40 you have to be cautious. Below 29.40 we are looking forward to a greater correction towards 29.20 and lower levels. Stochastic looking down, MACD. See, interestingly, the MACD has just crossed over. It is trading with very minimal divergence. We have to wait. We have to wait for it to show stronger candles on the upside in order to confirm reversal. RSI flat. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. See, the crossover here is very very important. It has crossed over on a sell side here, and now this is the prime resistance zone till $30 levels. We have to be careful with the buys. Only buying entries above $30 levels. While look at the formation here after this rise, now it is trying to look downwards. Any drop below 29.70, 29.60 should be a good indication that after this drop it is retraced, and now it is willing to take a direction where any move beyond 29.40 is a clear correct direction of a stronger correction here. Stochastic at top, MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over for a buy. RSI flat. Coming to on the daily chart, see, first of all, look at the preceding two candles comes with a double bottom, which means how strong is the support here at 29.50, 29.40 zone. Today it is getting the resistance here. Possibly once it stays below 29.50, 29.40, it can lead to a similar size of candle, which means look at the preceding move, almost a dollar move here. And if you connect this, you will find a dollar move towards 29, 28.80. Now see what is happening. First support at 28.80, rise retracement. Bigger the rise, it could retrace bigger, which means there is a possibility of 28.80, $29, but it is not confirmed as of now. The data is definitely going to decide the direction. Any move beyond 30, 30, 20, and the reversal confirmation in silver is above 30-50 levels today. If it stays above 30-50, you are looking forward to a move towards 31, and in fact 31.50 levels. So this is something we should watch out for. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green, trying to cross over again. The RSI has dropped. So looking, buying trade in silver is above $30 levels, where you can expect 30, 20, 25 at the first target zone, 30, 50, 30, 60 at the next. If at all, at any point of time today in the day, silver trades above 30, 50, 30, 60, close your eyes, stay bullish. You are looking at 31, 31, 40, 50, and in fact higher levels are possible. On the downside, a selling entry is now at 26.7, 29.70. Expect 29, 60, 50, 40 till 29.40. You have to be very careful. Below 29.40, I'll be looking forward to a good dip which can take it towards 29 and 28.80 levels very 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 soon. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.